Hello, my friends. This is Mari. Just wanted to say hello and let you know that Hurricane Irma is headed my way. We will be staying at our home. We're in Miami, Florida, if you want to follow the news. And I'm asking for prayers. I am very nervous. I don't know what's going to happen here. Hopefully, God is watching over us. This will be the last video I make until after the storm. My son will be try to go live on either Twitch or Instagram from inside the house, so you can see him if you want to, and keep us in your prayers. God bless us all. Bye-bye.